Hi everyone. So today we're going to be exploring probability, and I'll be showing you probability using a pair of dice. Probability is about understanding the likelihood of different outcomes of rolling dice. It's a great way to. It's just an easy way to see this action happen. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna try to show you. So first, I'll describe what probability is. Probability, hope you can see it, is the number of favorable events over the number of total outcomes. That's what probability is. So let me break that down. First, I'll start with the total number of possible outcomes. And like I say, we're gonna be using dice. So I'm gonna show you how to do it using dice. If I take one die, I get a red and a green. If I take one die, so when we talk about the total number of outcomes, it's 6 different possible outcomes on this one die. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's 6 different possible outcomes. So that would be my bottom part of my fraction 6. Well, today I'm going to be using 2. So since it's 6 possible outcomes with this, I will multiply it by the 6 different outcomes on this, and then I'll come up with 36 possible outcomes using these 2 dice. So once again, we're looking at the total number of outcomes, and my total number of outcomes, which will be on the bottom, I would have, using 2 dice, I'm going to have, so I do my 6 times my 6, and I will have on the bottom 36 possible outcomes that can come from the dice. So I'm going to show y'all how we can do rolling the dice. So first I'll explain. I'm going to just go and explain. If I was to roll the dice, let's say I take the dice, and I'm going to try my best. If I roll the dice, it landed on a lucky 7. It landed on a lucky 7. So you have to take and you have to look on the chart. How many different ways can I get 7 out of 36 on a dice? So let me explain it to you. Let's add and see, can we get 7? Right now we got a 5 and a 2. I got a 5 plus my 2 equals 7. That's one way. What's another way I can get to 7? I can get to 7, 1 plus 6. Is it any more ways I can get to 7? Yes, I can get to 7 with 3 plus 4. Then, let's see, on the flip side of 5 plus 2, I can do 2 plus 5. I can do 6 plus 1. And I can do 4 plus 3. Now, let's see how many ways out of it is. I don't think there's any more ways I can get to 7 with the numbers that's on the dice other than these. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 possible choices to make out of 36. I got 6 possible likely chances to hit 7 out of the 36 possible chances. So I will add my 6 to the top of my fraction. So now I have 6 over 36. That fraction can be reduced. I'm going to reduce it all the way down, which means I divide by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 6 divided by 36 is 6. And then I will come up with 1 over 6. I will come up with 1 over 6. That's one possible way to do it. We're going to do one more example just to show you how you get your favorable outcomes and you do your probability with the dice. So I already know using these 2, I have 36 possible outcomes. That's something that won't change as long as I'm rolling these 2. So I'll try to roll again, and we'll see what we come up with. I'm going to try my best to show you. Okay, so I'm going to just shake them, and I came up with 7 again. I'm lucky today. So I came up with, this time I came up with 4, 2, and 2. I came up with the number 4. So let's see what ways we can get, how many different ways we can get 4 out of the 36 possible ways. So you know you can get it 2 plus 2. And then I know I can also get it 1 plus 3. And then I know I can also get it 3 plus 1. Is there any more ways on the dice that I can get to 4? I don't think it is. I think these are the only 3 ways. So then I would take, I got 1, 2, 3. It's 3 favorable outcomes that I could possibly roll a 4. we'll put the 3 up there. And again, this fraction is going to be reduced. This can be reduced. We can use 3's to reduce this. So I'm going to reduce it as far as I can. 3 divided by 3 will equal 1. 3 goes into 36 12 times. So then you have your fraction there. This is just a couple of ways that you can figure out the probability when rolling dice. So you'll always go, remember, probability is the number of favorable outcomes, the number of favorable events over the number of total outcomes. That's what I got for probability for you.